Hello, you're watching Edge of Mobiles. Many of you are asking for more videos of the way I'm assembling my phones, of the way I'm refurbishing it. I saw many of interesting stuff, so let us do it together today. We'll assemble Nokia N73 in black color, so it's music edition. So first of all, we start with the middle cover. Actually, it's full assembled, always a part of the charge connector. So I have it here. So first of all, I will install it on its place, and that is the first thing to do. So now I take the main board and I take the main camera. So here it is. I connect it. So I connect it and I place it already to the middle cover from the bottom to the top. So if we have clicks, it's okay. So it means everything's okay. So now what we're going to do next, we take the front board with the ear speaker and put it here. So what we need is to hear more clicks. So we hear clicks. So now I take a screw, the black one here, and I will fix this frame to the middle cover with the main board. So now I feel confident and I can do some other stuff. Now I take the memory card cover and see the way I'm doing it. So I place it from here, and so it's okay now. So now first of all I want to put the front camera here. So okay, it's already here. Now I will take this frontier board. Actually it's a high quality replica. So and I bend it to the right. Then first of all I fix it, I fix the joystick, and then I put it, I connect it as well. So now I take the light guide and I put it also over there. So yeah, it's fixed now. So okay, now I want to fix the screws. Before doing any further steps, so now this one. Now this one. Two more. One here. And one here. So yeah, now we take the LCD, we remove some dust from it. Actually not very successful. That's why sometimes I just prefer to blow on it. I hope that you don't hear the strong wind over there. So okay, we'll do it a little bit later. So now I connect it So now I want to check if it's connected in the proper way. That's why I will install now the battery and see if it's going. Yeah, I see that it's going now. So now I want to remove all the dust I have here. Yeah, I blow it in it. It's okay now. So now I take this frame and I fix the LCD with the frame. So Nokia is already welcoming us. So yeah, it's really good to blow for a few times. So okay, now we take the front cover and assemble it from the top to the bottom. Yes, our phone switched off. It's okay. Now we take, so maybe let us remove the battery first. Yeah, then take it again. Close the battery cover and turn it on again. So we were assembling today Nokia N73 in black color, music edition. So you can buy same parts at Ethereum Mobiles. See you.